Item hash SCP-2466. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-2466 is kept in a standard storage locker at Site-44. Testing of SCP-2466 may be undertaken with the permission of SCP-2466's HMCL Supervisor. Testing of SCP-2466-1 is not permitted. To prevent accidental activation of SCP-2466-1, all shortcuts to the program have been removed from the device. If SCP-2466-1 is activated, SCP-2466 must be disconnected from its power source immediately. Description: SCP-2466 is a Samsung Galaxy S5 smartphone running the Android operating system. It is host to a number of non-anomalous applications as well as SCP-2466-1, identified as Slade Dragon Safe City. SCP-2466-1's code is incomprehensible, will not operate on any device other than SCP-2466, and will reinstall itself on SCP-2466 if removed. Termination of SCP-2466-1 is only possible by removing SCP-2466's power source. SCP-2466-1 is a text-based game in which the user battles against an instance of Megacharizard X, the character from the Pokémon franchise 1. SCP-2466-1 uses the battle mechanics found in the Pokémon games produced for the Nintendo 3DS. The user is assigned a randomized Pokémon from among those that can be acquired in the game Pokémon X, with access to 4 random moves that the Pokémon in question can learn. Combat is turn-based, with the user and Megacharizard X attacking each other or using other moves in turn. If the user-controlled Pokémon's hit points are depleted, it will faint, preventing it from executing its move if it has not already done so. SCP-2466-1 will then replace the user's Pokémon with another randomly generated Pokémon. If Megacharizard X faints, it will be replaced by another copy of Megacharizard X. The user may input the command check to gain all relevant information on their current Pokémon, or the name of any of their Pokémon's moves to execute that move. Every move executed by SCP-2466-1's instance of Megacharizard X compels 10 to 12 random residents of California to engage in activities that correspond to the selected move. Megacharizard X can use the moves Dragon Dance, Roost, Blitz, and Dragon Claw. See Addendum 2466-1 for details. There is no evidence that the user's actions have similar effects, either in or anywhere else. Due to Megacharizard X's high power, few Pokémon assigned to the user can avoid fainting from both Flare Blitz and Dragon Claw after it has used Dragon Dance. However, the eye that determines Megacharizard X's moves frequently makes strategic errors, which gives the user frequent opportunities to launch counterattacks. Addendum 2466-1. Effects of Megacharizard X's moves. The 10 to 12 residents of affected by each move are granted the collective designation SCP-2466-2 for the duration of their compulsion. Flare Blitz and Dragon Claw will inflict real-world damage in proportion to the damage dealt by Megacharizard X with the corresponding move in SCP-2466-1. SCP-2466-1 will not accept user input until the effects of the associated move are completed. Dragon Dance. SCP-2466-2 will converge in a public space and perform synchronized dances while repeatedly singing the song Pokémon theme from the English adaptation of the Pokémon anime. This lasts for approximately 15 minutes, after which SCP-2466-2 will set fire to the nearest building and disperse. Roost. SCP-2466-2 members will climb into a nearby tree and fall asleep for 3 to 4 hours, sitting upright without support. This rarely results in injury. Flare Blitz. SCP-2466-2 will set fire to themselves using nearby flammable materials and sources of heat, then run towards and collide with another nearby individual. Dragon Claw. SCP-2466-2 will obtain claws and assault a nearby individual using them. While some users will use pre-existing claws such as those used in costumery, or those attached to an animal, or affix sharp objects to their fingers, the most common method is for SCP-2466-2 to mutilate their fingers such that the bones form sharp points. The combat effectiveness of fingers altered this way usually exceeds expectations.